y'all, here's how I made this cute little sign for my mom for Mother's Day. So first I traced my boy's hands onto this wooden sign. I got this wood sign from Walmart and I just painted it white using Waverly chalk paint. I then filled in their handprints with Mod Podge and then just let them pick any flowers that they wanted to use to fill in their hands to make kind of like a little flower bouquet, just a little bunch of flowers in the shape of their handprint. So the sweet thing about this is they picked all the flowers that they wanted to use and they placed each of them themselves. And it's also just a sweet little keepsake of their handprint. So I added their name and their current age in the palm of the hand on the sign.
That is so sweet. It's perfect.
And once we place all the flowers, I'm going over them gently with some Mod Podge to seal them to the sign. So I initially done the frame of the sign with a stamp, but I didn't really like that. I felt like it was too busy, so I went over that with some moss green Waverly chalk paint. And I wanted to go with that rustic chippy look, so I'm using some wax and then painting over that with my white chalk paint. So I really wanted to add some butterflies to this, so I broke out my little Easter napkins and cut out my butterflies and then just Mod Podge those onto the sign and kind of frame them around the wording Grandma's Garden. And now that my white paint has fully dried, I'm going to scrape up all of that wax to give that chippy look. So this is how it turned out overall. I think it's really sweet. My mom absolutely loved it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video and I really hope you had a beautiful Mother's Day.